A for apple. Apple means shape. B for ball. Ball means gend. C for cat. Cat means billy. D for dog. Dog means kutta. E for elephant. Elephant means हाथी. F for fish. Fish मतलब मछली. G for grapes. Grapes means अंगूर. H for hen. Hen means मुर्गी. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J for jug. Jug means jug. K for kite. Kite means patang. L for lion. Lion means शेर. M for monkey. Monkey means बंदर. N for nest. Nest means घोंसला. O for orange. Orange means narangi. P for peacock. Peacock means more. Q for queen. Queen means Rani. R for rose. Rose means gulab. S for swan. Swan means batak. T for telephone. Telephone means telephone. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chata. V for van. Van means gaadi. W for watch. Watch means gadi. X for xylophone. Xylophone means xylophone. Y for yacht. Yacht means jahaj. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra.